Hello, food lovers. I am your host, Lily Parker, with another Quick Bites episode. Today, we're talking about souvlaki, one of Greece's most beloved street foods. Souvlaki is essentially grilled skewers of marinated meat, usually pork, chicken, lamb, or beef, cooked to perfection over open flames. The magic begins with the marinade, a blend of olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, oregano, and sometimes a touch of vinegar, which tenderizes and flavors the meat. Once marinated, the meat chunks are threaded onto skewers and grilled until beautifully charred and juicy. Souvlaki is traditionally served wrapped in pita bread, alongside fresh vegetables like tomatoes, onions, and lettuce, and topped with a dollop of tzatziki, a cool, garlicky yogurt sauce. You can also enjoy it as a platter with crispy fries, lemon wedges, and salad. Its popularity lies in its simplicity, portability, and unbeatable flavor. Whether you're grabbing it from a street vendor or making it at home, souvlaki offers a taste of Greece's vibrant street food scene. It's perfect for summer barbecues, casual dinners, or quick lunches. The combination of smoky grilled meat, fresh herbs, and tangy sauce makes souvlaki a timeless classic that captures the essence of Greek culinary tradition. Stay tuned for more delicious bites on Quick Bites with Chef Walter.